So now this is a plane problem. Draw the projection of circular plate of negligible thickness of diameter 50 mm resting on HP on a point A. Circumference with its plane inclined at 45 degree to HP. So it is a circle. So now construct circle by using compass, taking diameter 50 mm. You take the radius 25 mm and construct a circle. So now divide the circle into 8 parts. So take 45 degree line from this line, okay, and then use extend command. Now it has been divided into 8 parts. So name that. This is the circumference. On the circumference, we have divided the circle into 8 parts. So now the circle is resting on HP plane. So this is vertical plane and this is horizontal plane, and this is X and this is Y, XY line. So now from the top view it is looking like a circle, and from front view it looks like a line. So project each points So now name this. This is A dash, and this is B dash of H dash, this is C dash of G dash, This is d dash of f dash. And the last is e dash. Now this is the initial position. The circle is resting on HP. Okay, 50 mm circle, diameter circle is resting on HP. It looks like circle from top view, and from front view it looks like a line. Okay, so now in the second position, what is the second condition? Resting on HP on a point A in circumference with its plane inclined at 45 degree to HP. The resting plane is horizontal plane, HP plane. So the entire circle is inclined 45 degree to horizontal plane. Okay, with resting with one of its corner A. So it must rest with corner A, and you have to lift the opposite corner E, opposite point E, and the angle will be 45 degree. So how it looks from front view? So this circle in the form of line will be appearing as a 45 degree inclined line from front view. Okay, construct that. So in manual construction, you need to measure each projections distance between from here to here. Like this. So construct a 50 mm line. 50, angle is 45. So next, by using compass in manual construction, cut the each points from A to B dash of H dash. It is 7.32. Press enter, cut an arc like that. Similarly, go to radius here again from the same point A, from A dash to C dash of GH dash. It is 25 mm. Like that. Cut each points and then project that. And next, so this is for manual construction. And for computer construction, in computer you can easily select this, use group command, group all these projections, press enter, and then go to move command. Select this, move a copy switched on, just move this over here. Then you can rotate this. For 45 degrees. Then you can easily project downwards. Okay, this is a easier method while constructing computer, but manually you need to construct like this. Take 50 mm line, and then take the compass and cut each points. That is, A dash is this one, and this arc is B dash of H dash, and this is about C dash of G dash, like that. Okay. So now name this. So now to remove this extra line, now project each points to construct the top view. So now find out the intersection points. So here A and A dash meets at here, mark it as A, and next B and B dash meets at here, mark it as B, and C and C dash meets at here, mark it as C, and next D and D dash meets at here, mark it as D, and this will be E, and this will be F, and this will be G, and this will be H. So now construct. So this will be in the form of ellipse. When you tilt that circle, okay, with 45 degree with respect to horizontal plane, from front view it looks like circle, and when you see from top, okay, so it looks like ellipse. Okay, it will be not looking like circle, it looks like ellipse when you tilt that with an angle. So the given angle is 45 degree here. So now use ellipse by center points or ellipse by 3 points. So I'll use ellipse by 3 points with visible line. So in 3 points means I will choose this as the first point, this as the second point, and next this as the third point. So in this you have to check whether the circumference is touching all the points here. Okay, then only we can go for this ellipse by 3 points. So now in this, so all the points, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, is touching the exact circumference. Okay, so now select this. So while constructing manual, you have to construct this by using freehand only. There is no any tool to construct ellipse here. So use freehand and construct a smooth ellipse. Okay, without any sharp edges, it must be smooth like this. Okay, so now, so this is over second position. So now third position. So 45 degree with HP is the second position, that is over, and the top view of the diameter passing through the resting point makes 60 degree with VP. So this is the condition he has given, the diameter passing through the resting point. So now how many diameters are there? There are n number of diameters here. So here, as per this construction, so as per this construction, so there are 8 divisions. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, so now you can consider, as per this construction, there are 8 diameters. Okay, A to E, B to F, C to G, and D to H, like that. So he has asked that the diameter passing through the resting point. So resting point is A here. You can see that at the point A it is resting, E has been lifted. So now resting point is A here. So the diameter passing through the resting point is AE. So consider this diameter. It must be inclined with an angle of 60 degree with VP. The top he has said. Okay. So here you may think that is it a beta angle problem? But what happens here means, so I have said clearly that the top view of the diameter passing. Okay, so it means that the observer, when he is seeing from top, Okay, that diameter you have to consider. The top view diameter means the second position diameter A. So you can directly construct by constructing 60-degree line here. Okay, so if he has not given top view, okay, if he has not given top view means that means the plane inclined 45 degree to HP and one of its diameter passing through the resting point makes 60 degree. If he has given like that means we need to go for beta angle, but here in this problem he has given top view. Okay, sometimes they will give appears to be. Okay, in that case also it is non-beta angle problem. Whatever the given angle you have to construct that. So here he has given top view means no need to find out beta angle. Whatever the diameter appearing for the observer, you need to use that one only for the given angle. Okay, so now in this case directly construct a 60-degree line. No need to find beta angle. And now so in manual construction measure this. Okay, in manual construction go to distance between it is 35.36. so construct a line of 35.36 like this. This is for manual construction, what you are going to construct in book or a sheet, grid sheets. So for that I am explaining here. So in that case, so this point will be E point and this point will be A point. Okay, so now we got 2 points here, A and E. So by using compass measure A to H, cut an arc. Okay, and measure E to H by using compass, and from E place that compass and then cut an arc by the help of pencil here. Okay, we'll get H point. Similarly measure A to G. Okay, cut an arc, and E to G, cut an arc. So we'll get one more point here, one more intersection point, that is G. And similarly measure A to F. Okay, cut an arc, and next E to F, cut an arc. Okay, similarly construct these 3 points B, C, D. Measure A to B, cut an arc, measure E to B and cut an arc. So likewise construct all the arcs of 8 points. Okay, sorry, 6 points, that is A is already here. Construct remaining points and then construct manually the ellipse. Okay, so but here in this case computer, you can easily go to group command. So group this. Okay, before going to group, construct like this, construct all the lines, the diameters. Okay, and then go to group the ellipse along with the diameters, internal diameters. Okay, so now you can easily press enter, go to move command, select this, place it over here, move a copy switched on. Next go to rotate, okay, in these corners, sorry, we cannot call it as corner, just the points here. This is B, this is C, and this is D, this is F, this is G, and this is H. Now this is the top view of the circle when it is inclined 60 degree with respect to VP. After tilting 45 degree with respect to HP, the same thing has been tilted 60 degree with respect to VP. So now show the front view. So for showing front view, project each points upwards. Now you can see that some of the points are coinciding on the same line. Okay, no need to worry about that. So A and F projection lines are coinciding, B and E projection lines are coinciding, and C and D projection lines are coinciding, and H and G projection lines are coinciding. So project from here also. Okay, so now mark the points by using text command. So A is here, A projection line is here, A dash is here. So A and A meets at this point, so make it as A dash. Next B is here, B dash, his projection line is here, so mark it as B dash. And next C projection line is here, C dash projection line is this one, so mark it as C dash. And next D and D dash meets at here. Next E and E dash meets at here. Next F and F dash meets at here. And next G and G dash meets at here. Next H and H dash meets at here. So now it is difficult to construct ellipse by 3 points here in this case. Okay, there are only two options here, ellipse by center point and ellipse by 3 points. So you cannot, for example, I will take this ellipse by 3 points. So if we consider the first point A and second point as E, we cannot construct ellipse because some of the points are not in contact with the circumference. Okay, so we cannot construct by in this method. So here we need to construct in different case, that is construct a line, visible line. But in manual construction, while constructing in sheets or book, we can easily construct manually without using any tool. A smooth curve has to be constructed. Okay, A to B, C to D, like that. Okay, here also I'll do the same thing. So from A to B, I construct a line, straight line. Like this. So now we'll use convert to curve command. So now use convert to curve command. Select this, right click, again left click, we'll get 3 points. Okay, just drag that like this. Okay, similarly again go for the convert to curve, select, right click, left click, and then just drag. Okay, and next again go to convert to curve, select, right click, left click the mouse button, and then just drag like this. So repeat this for all the straight lines and make it as curve. Okay, so now you can see that it's almost looking like a ellipse. So this completes projection of circular plane. Okay.